Welcome back guys to another video. In this video I will provide you a game booster which help you to increase your game FPS without root and custom ROM. Please watch full video and don't skip any part of the video. After downloading app, install it. After installation, open the app. The app take few seconds to open after installation. After opening, choose the game which is lagging in your device. After choosing it, choose the gaming mode to maximum. The gaming mode max will give you more FPS and your game lag will reduce. If this game booster worked for you, so don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.